Imagine having a magic machine that can create anything you imagine with breathtaking precision. Meet the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K, a revolutionary resin 3D printer that brings your ideas to life in stunning detail. This incredible device features a 10-inch 16,000 monochrome liquid crystal display screen with an XY resolution of 14 by 19 micrometers and a display resolution of 15,120 by 6,230 pixels. It's perfect for creating intricate models with smooth surfaces and lifelike textures, making it ideal for industries like dentistry, gaming, and more. The Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is equipped with tilt-release technology, which boosts printing speed up to 150 millimeters per hour without compromising quality. It also includes a smart tank heating system that keeps the resin at a perfect 30 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent print quality even in low temperatures. Plus, it features an upgraded artificial intelligence camera for real-time monitoring and instant alerts, so you can print worry-free. With automatic leveling and plug-and-play functionality, this printer is easy to use right out of the box. The build volume is 211.68 millimeters by 118.37 millimeters by 220 millimeters, allowing you to create both small and large prints with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is your ultimate 3D printing companion. Create anything you imagine with precision and speed.